Buying a luxury car feels amazing. That new car smell, the premium finish, the status. But when the warranty ends, that's when the real test begins. Suddenly, a simple warning light can cost you thousands. But what if you could own luxury without the financial fear? What if some luxury cars are actually built to last? In this video, we're revealing 7 luxury models that won't bankrupt you after the warranty expires. We've analyzed data from Consumer Reports, J.D. Power, and real owner experiences to bring you this list. These are cars that mechanics respect and owners trust. Ready to find your worry-free luxury car? Let's begin. 1. Lexus LS 460. At number 7, we have the Lexus LS 460. This isn't just a luxury sedan, it's a masterpiece of reliability. The 4.6-liter V8 engine is smooth, quiet, and famously overbuilt. J.D. Power gives it an 89 out of 100 for reliability, beating both Mercedes S-Class and BMW 7 Series. Owners regularly report over 300,000 miles with just basic maintenance. Why does it last so long? Simple engineering, minimal electronics, and quality components. After warranty, expect only around $600 to $700 per year in maintenance. This is the luxury car you buy once and drive for a lifetime. 2. Porsche 911. The Porsche 911, specifically the 991 generation. While sports cars aren't known for reliability, this Porsche breaks the mold. Its flat-six engines are works of art, both durable and high-performing. J.D. Power rates it 87 for quality, highest among premium sports cars. Mechanics love working on these because they're logical and well-designed. Owners see 150,000 miles regularly without major issues. Post-warranty costs about $850 annually if you use independent specialists. This is the supercar you can actually drive every day. 3. Genesis G80. Hyundai's luxury division focused on reliability from day one. The V6 and V8 engines come from their most dependable models. J.D. Power named it Best Upper Midsize Premium Car in 2020 with an 88 out of 100 score. Electrical issues are rare, repairs are affordable, and maintenance is straightforward. After warranty, expect just $500 to $600 per year. You get premium features, a quiet cabin, and smooth ride without the premium repair bills. 4. BMW 340i with B58 engine. Yes, a BMW makes our list. At number 4, the 340i with the B58 engine. This inline-six is so good, Toyota used it in the Supra. It's powerful, efficient, and surprisingly reliable. BMW kept the engineering clean and serviceable. J.D. Power scores it 85 for reliability, excellent for its class. Independent mechanics report easy repairs and reasonable parts costs. Owners regularly hit 200,000 miles with proper care. Annual maintenance after warranty, $700 to $800. This BMW gives you performance without the typical BMW repair nightmares. 5. Acura TLX V6 models. Number 3 takes us to Japan, the Acura TLX with the 3.5-liter V6. This is luxury backed by Honda's legendary reliability. The engine and transmission are proven across millions of vehicles. Consumer Reports rates it excellent for predicted reliability. Maintenance is simple, parts are affordable, and repairs are rare. After warranty, costs average just $450 to $550 annually. It's packed with technology, comfortable, and genuinely fun to drive. While it lacks a European badge, it offers something better, complete peace of mind. 6. Volvo XC90 T6, 2016-2021. At number 2, the Volvo XC90 T6 combines safety with reliability. The 2-liter engine is both supercharged and turbocharged, efficient and durable. Unlike complex German V8s, this engine is easier and cheaper to maintain. J.D. Power rates it 83 for reliability, top among European luxury SUVs. Real owners report smooth ownership with annual costs around $650 to $750 after warranty. Plus, it's one of the safest SUVs ever tested. If you want family luxury that won't break the bank, the XC90 delivers. 7. Toyota Land Cruiser. And our number 1, the undisputed king, Toyota Land Cruiser and Lexus LX. These aren't just vehicles, they're legends, built for the world's toughest conditions, engineered to last 25+ years. The 5.7-liter V8 is virtually indestructible. Maintenance is simple, parts are everywhere, repairs are reasonable. J.D. Power score 91 out of 100 for reliability. It's common to see these with 400,000, even 500,000 miles still running perfectly. Annual costs after warranty, just $750 to $850, unbelievable for this level of luxury and capability. Resale value is legendary. If you want one vehicle that does everything and lasts forever, this is it. So what's the secret? Reliable luxury cars share common traits: proven engines, sensible technology, and strong brand reliability records. Always research specific model years, check owner forums, get a pre-purchase inspection from an independent mechanic, and avoid first-year redesigns. True luxury isn't just about the initial purchase, it's about years of worry-free ownership. Choose wisely, and your luxury car can be both a joy to drive and a smart investment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our future guides.